do I do?
Start talking about the birds that you want to talk about.
So, these birds that we got in our nest, they use a lot of sticks and maybe some grass. And
Do you remember the name of the kind of bird it is?
it was a red wing,
Red robin.
a robin. And then it just had eggs, and then
How many eggs did the mommy lay?
it had 4 eggs, and they hatched a long time ago, and
And every day, what do we see from the mommy and daddy? What do they do every day, all day long?
they feed them.
How?
They go in the grass. They search all over the place. They fly all around our house and away from our house, and they look for worms and maybe some beetles.
And then what happens then?
Nope.
And then what happens, Will?
And then what happens?
What do they do with the worms?
They eat the bird. They put it in their mouth, and the birds go like, and then the mom and dad put them in their mouth like this, and then they drop it, all of them, down to their mouths.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Say bye.
Bye.